Hey guys, to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to get money fast in the crew. So you want to grab your fastest call. This is mine. It's a socket call. Maybe you have a drag call. I do not have one of those yet because I'm still broken because I spent all my money on this call. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go into first you want to go to Dairyland, which is right by Chicago and Detroit in the Midwest. Then you want to go to settings, go all the way down, second to last one. You want to turn that off. You have to make sure that's off, or there'll be a jump. And if you don't turn it off, you activate the jump, and you don't want that to happen. Okay, so you just want to keep driving. If you stay in the middle, you won't crash. Okay, and see how I'm drifting? I'm most likely getting crashed. See, just crashed. Okay, so then you want to just keep driving. It's okay if you mess up. You can always teleport back. Okay, but yeah, that's why you want your fastest call, so then you can get a good jump. And then you can get, if you get drift, you'll have more money. And if you hit a tree, you'll get less money. So yeah, you don't want to hit trees. Oh, a fence. God dang it. Okay, let's teleport all the way back to Dairyland. It's okay if you have time, but if you don't have a lot of time, it's not really a good method, but it is a great method if you have time. And most people playing video games have a lot of time. Okay. Now, you want to just keep driving. Okay. You want to stay in the middle so you don't crash. And then, you just want to, just going fast as you can. You don't have to use all your nitro at once, because then you won't have any for the jump. But that's just common sense. Okay. Now, you just want to do the jump. If you get good drift, you get way more money. Okay? So, now, just get good drift. And if you like the video, give a like. If you want to, subscribe. And check out my friend's channel. His name is Skydiving Demon. Subscribe to him too, and me. Like the video, give a like, and goodbye.